Hello guys, so today's vlog, we have the new Zhiyun Smooth 5. Yes guys, we have the Zhiyun Smooth 5 combo. So on today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you, we'll unbox the Zhiyun Smooth 5 and we will check the product and we will compare for the previous one, which is the Smooth 4. Yeah, this is the Smooth 4 guys. So we'll make a side-by-side comparison with these two guys. We will unbox and check the Smooth 5. So let's start now guys to unbox the Smooth 5. And yeah guys, you can see the Smooth 5 combo have already a bag, mini stand, the stabilizer itself, and you have the LED lights. Yeah, and there's some, I don't know what this one guys, but again, we'll open now guys and check the Smooth 5. So yeah, inside the box, what's inside the box? So in the Apple Store and Google Play, you can download the application which is CY Kami app. Again guys, the CY Kami app. That's the application guys. CY Kami app. Yeah. So let's unbox now guys the Smooth 5. So guys, and yeah, then yeah guys, this is again guys, this is the demo unit of Smooth 5 here in AAB World. So if you want to check the product, if you want to try and test, you can visit us here in Symphony Showroom. So yan guys, and ang bag, ang very styling bag ng Zhiyun, ng Smooth 5 again. So here you have your manual. Ito yung manual natin, di ba? Tapos meron pa tayong service card. Ayos ah. Yan. And si Zhiyun, di ba? Kulit ng, parang sarap bumili ng gantong laruan ni Zhiyun, di ba? So yan. Yan ang laman. This is what inside the box of the Zhiyun Smooth 5. Yan, tabi muna natin. And this is the bag guys. This is the styling pouch. Yan, ganda oh. May carry bag siya. Yan, di ba? So it's nice, the back. Yan, wala na. You have your some secret pouch here or secret area. Yan, may zipper dito guys. Okay, then let's open now guys the bag. Yan. So this is the Smooth 5 guys. Yan, first you have your card. Anong card to? Ba, meron sang Zhiyun Prime. Yung pala yun, how to redeem online. So you can redeem online. It's called Zhiyun Prime. So top link, scan to enter, blah, blah, something ganon. I think you need to register guys. So yan, on this side, you have your magnetic LED lights. Ngas oh, di ba? You have the magnetic LED lights. Yan. And you have your 4 colors of gel. So, yan. Stackable siya. Yan. It's magnetic. Yan. Okay. Next, you have some sort of the yan, parang wrist strap. Yan. Yeah. So, ito. Wala. Silicone gel. Silica gel. Okay. It's another card. Sign crane. You have your USB to USB-C for your charging guys. Ayan, USB to USB-C charging. Wala na. And this is your mini stand. Ayan. Ito agad yung mini stand natin. Ayan. It's your mini stand. And the stabilizer itself guys. Oh, di ba? Parang grayish yung kulay niya. Ang silver gray. Ayan. So, this is the new Smooth 5 guys. Ayan, alagay. Smooth 5. Ayan. So, let's try to compare with the Smooth 4. Okay guys, so let's compare the Smooth 4 over the Smooth 5. First guys, date of release. The Smooth 4 released last April 2018, while the Smooth 5 released last 2021 of November. Ayan guys. With payload capacity, 75 to 200 grams for the Smooth 4, while 150 to 300 grams for the Smooth 5. Battery life, 12 hours for the Smooth 4. It's not bad, 12 hours guys. And for the Smooth, battery life for the Smooth 5. It depends on your usage guys. Maybe if you use the LED light, it consume more battery, I think. Yes. Tilt angle range, guys. For the smooth 4, you have 240 degrees, while 349 degrees for the smooth 5. Roll angle range, 240 degrees for the smooth 4, while 300 degrees for the smooth 5. 300 degrees for the pan angle range for the smooth 4, while 360 degrees for the smooth 5. Both stabilizer using the ZY Kami application from Android to iPhone. Price range, guys, it depends on for the like combo or single. This is the comparison between the smooth 4 and the smooth 5. Again, from the smooth 4, guys, you don't have the joystick, while the smooth 5 already have a joystick. This area, and you have LED lights for the smooth 5. So, guys, so this is our product for today, the Zhiyun Smooth 5. And so, compared for the Smooth 4, the size is more smaller, and the design. And I like the joystick that they include already, the joystick. And you have your LED lights, detachable LED lights. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. So, we test and tried already the Smooth 5, sorry. And I like the quality, guys, quality-wise. Again, if you want to connect, just connect to the application ZY Kami app. So, you can download it to Apple Store or Google Play. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Again, flex time for someone to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. Ang ating PPK 2.0 na si Palaboy at si Brian Pontanar. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.